This 2020 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 mpr is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, Murphy bed, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.